In today's digital age, artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing not just industries and jobs, but also creating unprecedented opportunities for individuals. This transformative tool is enabling people to build virtual businesses and achieve financial success. In this guide, we'll explore how to leverage AI to establish a Shopify dropshipping business, potentially generating substantial income by tapping into the capabilities of AI. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide on utilizing AI to create a lucrative virtual business in just a few hours. Step 1. Identifying a winning product with AI. To pinpoint a product that stands out, use AI-based market analysis tools that go beyond trend spotting. Implement sentiment analysis algorithms on social media and review platforms to gauge public opinion and uncover hidden gems. Tools like Exploding Topics can also provide early insight into products gaining traction. It's not just about finding a product that's currently popular, but anticipating what's next. Engage in forums and communities related to your niche to stay ahead of the curve. Step 2. Building your Shopify store. When building your Shopify store, leverage AI-based design tools, such as Shopify's own AI design assistant, or third-party tools like Canva's Magic Write feature for creating compelling visuals and copy. These tools can help personalize the shopping experience for visitors. Implement AI chatbots to enhance customer service by providing instant responses to queries and recommendations, improving engagement and potential sales. Step 3. Branding and domain name. For branding, delve deeper with AI by generating not just names but entire brand personas. Use tools that can suggest logos, color schemes, and branding elements that align with your brand's voice and mission. This unified approach ensures consistency across all customer touchpoints. Secure your domain name, but also consider related social media handles to establish a cohesive online presence. Step 4. Importing products and setting up logistics. Advanced dropshipping tools offer more than just a bridge between your store and suppliers. They provide insights into stock levels, lead times, and logistic hurdles. Utilize AI to forecast demand, preventing stockouts or over-ordering. This step is critical for maintaining customer satisfaction and optimizing your inventory management. Step 5. Creating high-quality ads with AI. Beyond creating ads, use AI to test different versions at scale to see what resonates best with your audience. Tools like Ad Espresso can automate the A/B testing process, providing actionable insights into which ad variations perform the best. Also, explore AI-generated music and effects to add to your ads for that extra layer of engagement. Step 6. Launching your TikTok ads campaign. In launching your TikTok ads, leverage AI-based platforms to not only target your audience, but also to predict and analyze user behavior, optimizing your ad spend for the best possible ROI. TikTok's algorithm can be your ally here. Use its recommendations to fine-tune your campaigns in real time, focusing on metrics that matter most to your business goals. Step 7. Scaling your business. As you scale, integrate AI-driven analytics tools to gain deeper insights into customer behavior, preferences, and buying patterns. Use predictive analytics to identify future trends and potential products, ensuring your business stays ahead. Consider using AI to automate email marketing campaigns, personalize content, and segment audiences for more effective communication. Continuous learning and adaptation. The digital marketplace is ever evolving, with AI technologies advancing rapidly. Stay informed about the latest AI tools and platforms that can further streamline your business processes or open up new opportunities. Participating in webinars, online courses, and joining digital entrepreneurship communities can keep you on the cutting edge. Tools like Google Analytics AI can predict customer behavior, allowing for the customization of marketing messages and product recommendations based on individual preferences and previous interactions. Furthermore, AI-driven personalization engines can dynamically adjust content, deals, and product displays in real time to match the browsing behavior and purchase history of visitors. This not only increases the likelihood of conversions, but also strengthens customer loyalty by making the shopping experience more relevant and engaging. By meticulously applying AI throughout every facet of your Shopify dropshipping business, from inception to scale, you equip yourself with the tools to minimize manual effort, maximize efficiency, and amplify your chances of success. Remember, the blend of creativity, Strategic planning and the intelligent application of technology is the cornerstone of thriving in today's digital economy.